Chris here with my lovely model Stephanie, and today we're going to start with just the basics of what we're looking for with core training and just teach you 2 simple exercises that you can start to do in our first 5-minute beginner circuit. Okay, so the thing that I want you to think about as we go through these exercises is pelvic and rib cage tuck. Okay, and what that means is in this drill, what I'm going to have Stephanie do is I'm going to have her reach up with her arms. Okay, she can take like a foam roller or something like that. So she's reaching towards the ceiling. What she's also doing is kind of pressing her back into my hands, just straight down, so I can't put my hand under there. Just kind of digging her heels back so you kind of feel the back of your legs there. So it's kind of like we're trying to tuck her pelvis like up, like that, all right? And what you'll feel somewhat is abs and hamstrings, all right? Now in this position, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose, and then hard exhale through your mouth like you're blowing through fog. Okay, and can you feel your abs there?
Yes.
Okay, so our goal with this, we have a lot of people say like, I don't feel my core. Our goal with this is to feel both of these things, hamstrings and abs, as we go through this drill. We're just going to hold for 30 seconds, all right? So everybody come into this position with me, and we're going to get going. So here we go. Just continuing to kind of find your hamstrings and abs. Deep breath in through your nose, and exhale. Good, just tightening everything up. Good. Hand back in the ground. You can put like a strip of tape or a pencil behind you just to kind of continue to feel your abs. And the way we make this harder is we just lengthen the amount of time. And in subsequent videos, I'll show you some more things as far as how we make this more difficult. All right, so that was our first exercise. Now, Stephanie, for the second one, I'm going to have you come on all fours like this. Okay, so this is kind of a precursor to a plank. Okay, this is called all fours breathing. Okay, and with this, what I want Stephanie to do is hands are right under her shoulders, so let's get your hands a little bit more under your body there. She's going to relax her shoulders. Okay, now I have my hand on her upper back. The first thing that I want to do is I want you to push your shoulder blades apart. Okay, push your shoulder blades up in my hands. That's perfect. So you should feel a stretch between your shoulder blades. All right. The next thing that we're going to do is just tuck the pelvis a little bit. Okay, so we don't want to kind of round up like we're doing kind of being a hunchback here. This stays relatively flat, but we're just kind of bringing kind of the belly button towards the belt buckle, and that we're kind of bringing these 2 spaces together like you're doing a crunch, right? So you'll feel more abs here. That's our focus in this position, as well as just stretching the upper back, okay? And so, can you feel those things right now, Stephanie? That's perfect. So we're just going to hold this for 30 seconds, and again, same breathing, okay? So let's start by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale and just push up in my hand. Good, good. Try to keep this part flat. All right, just continue to breathe out, breathe in. Deep breath in through your nose. Good. And this is really what we want to maintain in a plank, like a kind of slightly rounded position where we're not arching towards the floor. So we're just going to try about 5 more seconds here. That's perfect. Stephanie's a singer, so she got out about 3 breaths there because she has like about a 10-second inhale and exhale. But what I want you to do is, again, go through these 2 drills 3 times, all right, just focusing on feeling hamstrings and abs, following along, all right? If you have any questions, please feel free to email me back, and I'll see you next time.